Hello beautiful people and welcome back to my channel, guys, to this lovely look from the Tati Beauty. Oh my gosh, I just got this yesterday in the mail, guys. I couldn't wait to use it and got it before December 15th, which is what she said to expect it by, and I was like, okay, it's an early Christmas present to myself. Okay, all right, so I decided to film today, guys, because Square One's having their staff, bless you, John, our staff Christmas party, guys, and I wanted to dress up, obviously, and go a little extra with the eyes today. Okay, John's here in the background today. He's just working from home. But yeah, and don't worry, guys, I'm not naked. I'm just wearing a jumper, I promise. Okay. But yes, my tattoo. We took off the tape, guys, but it's peeling like a mother fricker. It's ridiculous. But yes, anyways, if you'd like to see how I did this look, guys, please stay tuned. All right, so don't mind John if he's swearing a little bit in the background, okay? It's my first time filming with you in the room. Sorry, this is weird, John.
That's okay.
All right, guys, so once again we are going into the Tati Beauty palette, guys. It is so nice, friends. I'm just gonna cut to some swatches I did yesterday because I had to touch this right when I got it. Okay, so yeah, so obviously my favorites that I wanted to use right away were the glitters, guys. You can see from the swatches how beautiful they are, friends. Okay, and the metallics are really nice. The sequins are very surprising to me because I didn't know what to expect. They're very different, and just like from the reviews I've been watching, the sparkles aren't just right on the top of the pan. Like as you dig into it, there's crystals and sparkliness throughout the entire thing, which is great. And the mattes, guys, they're great. They're fantastic. So pigmented. I barely touched this, and I like made some indents in the pan already. I'm gonna go to more of the poet side, guys. Okay, so I really love how she named this. Okay, I watched some reviews and some people were like they didn't get it, and I'm like, how? Yes, so I'm gonna go into Soothe Matte first, guys. Okay, so Soothe, the names are on the bottoms, the textures are on the side. Very simple. Okay, I'm gonna go into a fluffy blending brush. Well, okay, into that light brown shade. I'm gonna go into the crease, friends, or transition shade, so a little bit above the crease here. This mirror is huge. It's fantastic. Alright, sure. So with a light hand, guys, it's going back and forth. Yes, John? Oh, I like this. I barely touched it, guys. Ooh, so pigmented. So nice. Alright, so once you've blended that out, friends, I'm gonna go into Poet in the matte shade, guys, right here. So with another clean blending brush, going more into the crease. Alright, and then going back into the first brush, guys, with no additional product. I'm just going to blend those two shades together. Alright, and now going into a pencil brush, I'm going to go into Matte Memory, Memory and Ritual. Guys, mixing those together and putting that in the outer corner just to create more depth in my eye. For the exciting part, the glitters, so I'm gonna go into, I think I'm gonna mix two of these. So I'm gonna go into Poet, guys, and Aura. Ooh. Okay, so with my fourth finger, guys, ooh, focus, focus, focus. Oh, I can barely touch that. Look at that. Ooh, ooh, ooh. So nice. Ooh. Dab. Ooh, yeah. So nice, John.
This is nice.
Ooh. You heard it here, folks. Boyfriend approved. Husband approved. Ooh, even better. Yeah, the glitters are so nice, guys, and there's barely any fallout, which is fantastic as well. Alright, and with the same thing, I'm gonna go on top of that with Aura glitter as well. Maybe right in the center first, let's see. Oh yeah, let's pop that right in the center. Oh yeah, I'm gonna keep it like that, friends. Ooh, okay, now for the inner corner, friends, I'm gonna go into, I think, Aura Metallic, guys. Actually, kind of want to try Aura Sequin, friends, because there's a bit of pink sparkle in it. I might go with the rest of the look, so I'm gonna try that. So into that smaller detail brush, going into Aura Sequin. I hope this works out okay. Okay. Try it. Okay. Not bad, not bad. Alright. On top of that, I'm going to add a bit of Aura Metallic too. There we go. I'm also going to place some Aura Metallic in the brow bone as well. Alright, for the lower lash line, I'm just going to go into Soothe Matte. That light brown shade we put on a lid earlier. Okay, and then I'm also going to go into Poet Matte. Alright, and that's it for the eyes, guys. I'm just going to put the rest of my makeup on. So I'll be right back. Alright guys, and this is the finished makeup look, guys, with the lashes and everything. The tip is a little weird on this guy, but I am okay with that. Just gonna get a new pair of lashes. Ooh, okay. So I just finished off the lips, guys, with my MAC Spice lip liner, Dose of Colors lipstick in Aftermath, and the Dose of Colors lip gloss in Over... Oh, is it Over the Top? I can't remember what it's called now. Just kidding. That was the first collection for Desi times Katie. It is the gloss in the shade The Most. Okay, so yes, final thoughts on this palette. It's really good. It's fantastic. You can do super glittery over the top looks, but you can also do everyday matte neutral looks. It's fantastic. I love this palette. I can't wait to play with it more. I think that's it, guys. But yes, this look, oops, yeah, not sure when this video is gonna go up, but this this look is perfect for the holidays, getting Christmas parties, and also New Year's too. Okay, but yes, that's it. Okay, so don't forget to like and subscribe, guys. Comment below if you like this look, guys, or if you'd like to see more looks from the Tati beauty palette. Okay, but yes, remember, you'll never succeed if you're afraid to try.